Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at 7 cheap SUVs that nobody buys and that are very good. Number 7. Hyundai Venue. The Hyundai Venue is like that underrated indie film that critics rave about but hardly anyone goes to see. Starting at a mere $21,000, this subcompact SUV is a steal in a market where prices can skyrocket faster than you can say inflation. Under the exterior, the Venue boasts a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine that churns out 121 horsepower. While it may not win any drag races, it gets the job done with a commendable fuel economy of around 29 miles per gallon in the city and 33 mpg on the highway. This makes it an excellent choice for those who want to stretch their dollar further, especially with gas prices being what they are. Hyundai also sweetens the deal with an exceptional warranty, 5 years or 60,000 miles bumper to bumper, and 10 years or 100,000 miles on the powertrain. This means you can drive off the lot knowing your investment is protected, longer than most relationships last these days. So why isn't everyone clamoring for this gem? Perhaps it's the stigma of being cheap. But those in the know understand that sometimes the best things come in unassuming packages. The Venue might be small in size, but is big on value, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to navigate urban jungles without breaking the bank. Number 6. Buick Envista. The Buick Envista is a hidden gem in the SUV market, often overlooked but packed with value. With a starting price around $22,000, this budget-friendly option is perfect for those who want a reliable vehicle without breaking the bank. Under the exterior, the Envista boasts a peppy 137 horsepower from its turbocharged 3-cylinder engine. This means you can zip around town with ease while still enjoying an impressive 30 miles per gallon combined. That's right, this SUV sips fuel like it's at a fancy cocktail party, allowing you to spend less time at the pump and more time on the road. Despite its affordability, the Envista doesn't skimp on features. Standard tech offerings include remote start and rear parking assist, making it feel like you're driving a luxury vehicle without the luxury price tag. So, if you're in the market for an SUV that won't leave your bank account gasping for air, give this hidden gem a second look. After all, sometimes the best things come in unassuming packages. Number 5. Mazda CX-30. The Mazda CX-30 is the underdog of the SUV world, often overlooked but brimming with potential. With a starting price of just $24,000, it's a steal compared to many competitors that can easily break the bank. Under the exterior, the CX-30 packs a punch with a 186 horsepower engine that delivers spirited performance, making it a joy to drive on both city streets and open highways. The standard all-wheel drive adds an extra layer of confidence, especially during those unpredictable weather days when you need your vehicle to hold its own. Fuel efficiency is decent for its class, allowing you to stretch your dollar further at the pump. Plus, with its compact size and nimble handling, parking in tight spots becomes less of a chore and more of a game. Despite being labeled as cheap, the CX-30 doesn't skimp on features. It comes equipped with an impressive suite of safety technologies and driver assistance features that make it feel more premium than its price suggests. So while it may not be the most popular choice on the lot, those who take it for a spin often find themselves pleasantly surprised by its capabilities and value. Number 4. Hyundai Kona. The Hyundai Kona is the underdog of the SUV world, quietly waiting in the wings while flashier competitors teal the spotlight. Starting at a wallet-friendly price of around $25,000, it's the kind of vehicle that makes you think, why not? With its compact size, this little SUV packs a punch when it comes to practicality and efficiency, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. Fuel economy is another feather in its cap, offering up to 34 miles per gallon on the highway. That means fewer trips to the gas station and more cash left for your weekend adventures, or that extra-large latte you've been eyeing. And let's not forget about performance. While it may not win any drag races, the Kona can still reach 60 miles per hour in about 7.5 seconds with its turbocharged engine. Not too shabby for a budget-friendly ride. Moreover, the Kona is loaded with tech features that often come as optional extras in rival SUVs. Standard safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assistance make it feel like you're driving a luxury vehicle without the luxury price tag. So while it may not be flying off dealer lots like some of its more popular counterparts, the Hyundai Kona is a hidden gem that offers great value, efficiency, and practicality, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to get more bang for their buck in the SUV market. Number 3. Kia Seltos. The Kia Seltos is the unsung hero of the SUV world, boasting a price tag that starts around $24,000. In a market where many compact SUVs flirt with the $30,000 mark, the Seltos is like that friend who shows up to a fancy dinner in jeans and still manages to steal the show. Under the exterior, the Seltos offers a choice between two engines, including a turbocharged variant that cranks out 195 horsepower. This means you won't be left in the dust during highway merges or when trying to outrun your neighbor's overly ambitious lawnmower. Plus, most models come with all-wheel drive, making it an ideal companion for both city streets and weekend getaways to the mountains. The Seltos is not just about power, it also shines in practicality. It features impressive cargo space which rivals some larger SUVs, making it perfect for those spontaneous road trips or grocery runs that require more than just a couple of bags. In a nutshell, while the Seltos may not be the most popular kid on the block, it certainly packs a punch in terms of value and performance. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to score a smart deal on a capable SUV without sacrificing quality. Number 2. Chevrolet Trax. The Chevrolet Trax is like that underdog in a feel-good movie, often overlooked, yet surprisingly impressive. Starting at a wallet-friendly price of around $20,000, it's the least expensive vehicle in Chevrolet's lineup, making it a beacon of hope for budget-conscious buyers. This subcompact SUV packs a punch with its 137 horsepower turbocharged engine, providing enough oomph for city driving and highway merges. While it may not win any drag races, 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 8.8 seconds is more casual stroll than speed demon. It offers a pleasant driving experience and nimble handling that makes parking in crowded lots a breeze. Fuel efficiency is another feather in its cap, boasting an EPA-estimated 28 mpg in the city and 32 mpg on the highway. This means fewer trips to the gas station and more money left for that extra latte or two. The Trax also comes loaded with features typically reserved for pricier models, including driver assistance technologies and an impressive infotainment system with an 11-inch touchscreen. Despite its low sales figures compared to competitors, the Trax proves that a good SUV doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. It's affordable, practical, and ready to take you wherever life leads. Just don't expect it to steal the spotlight at the car show. Number 1. Toyota Corolla Cross. The Toyota Corolla Cross is an affordable gem that many overlook. Starting at around $24,000, this compact SUV offers a budget-friendly entry point for those craving a bit of height without breaking the bank. With a zippy 169 horsepower from its 2-liter engine, it's not going to win any races, but it gets you where you need to go without guzzling gas. Boasting a respectable fuel economy of about 30 mpg combined. Despite its low sales figures, only 67,000 units sold in 2024, it's packed with features that make it a worthy contender. The Corolla Cross comes with an impressive suite of standard safety features, ensuring that you and your loved ones are well protected on the road. What's more, the Corolla Cross offers all-wheel drive options for those who might encounter a little rain or snow. It's like having an insurance policy against bad weather without the hefty premium. In a world full of flashy SUVs, the Corolla Cross may not turn heads, but it certainly delivers on value and reliability. Sometimes being the unsung hero is just as good as being the star. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. If you found it helpful, then make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.